Debug Sql Error. Avoid highlighting other days. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I go about debugging the SQL error. Basically, you just run the SQL and to see the error. That's basically it, and then just make a correction on that SQL statement. Also, I am going to show you how to avoid highlighting days other than your current day. All right, let's get to work. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. Good morning, good morning. Happy, what day is it? It's Tuesday. Good morning, good morning. All right, got an email. Let's see, from James. Sent me last night, and I just opened it this morning because I went to bed before that time, so I didn't check my email. That was 10:30 p.m. last night. That's after my bed. But anyways, I read through some of this stuff and he still has issues. So we are going to help him out. So let's copy this guy. This is James Cars. So let's save this guy. And we are going to do this together. Alright, so let's go to my sample. We're going to create a new folder. This is James Cars. I think it's, yeah, something like that. Alright, let's save that right there and shut down my email, and let's go there. We're gonna see what okay, right there. Let's open him up. So he has everything working except there is one appointment. Let's see, let's do this. Oh wow, okay. It highlights the 30th, which is good. Highlights 30th. 30th. Let's see, the email says it highlights everything. Let's see, on the bottom here I noticed he mentioned I can get the highlight to highlight the current date. Oh, it is highlighting every date in the month. Oh yeah, this is normal. I got it. I think I understand. So it's going to highlight every date. If you scroll back to last month, it's going to highlight the 30th. Yeah, that's correct. It just say, hey, today is the 30th, so highlight every 30th. All right. Now, if you don't want to highlight this, you have to, you have to match the current date, actual date, not the number. Actual date, not the number. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. All right. But normally it highlights the number. Yeah, any day on that number. For example, today is 30th. And it's going to hide all the 30th. All right, so that's normal, that's fine. All right, So I think I see your email here. Yep. Of each month. Yep. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's normal, James. That's normal. But I'm going to show you how to not highlight any other number other than current date. All right. So we can do that. But let's check out this appointment right here. That's correct, right? Is that not correct? Let's find appointments with more than one appointment. Is there one? Huh. I've got one appointment there. Let's see the email again here. Okay, let's read up the next paragraph. Also have two queries for the appointment form, and the other part is the lesson. Okay. So far the calendar does exactly what it is, except the part where I want the appointment form to open to a specific date right here. But it seems to open appointments for all the days of the month. Let's see. Does it open for all the days of the month? I see one. Well, I see one. Let's see. There's one right here on the bottom here. 1 of 1. That is correct, James. That is correct. That is correct. So how do you know if it has more than one? Because I only see one. Oh, that's 31st, August 31st. Well, we know this is July. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Yeah, what is that? That should be August 30th today. That should be yeah, that should be July 29th. Yeah, I think I know what you mean now. Okay, so let's take a look at this. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's look at the 29th. Let's look at the 29th. Go to design. I am going to attach that to there so I can scroll down. 29. Oop, I went down too far. Oh, ho, your horses. Alright, Friday 29th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be 29th. And let's go in there. Okay. Open form. Okay, that's good. date serial, which is correct here. Okay, so now we're going to go to a appointment form on open. Let's see, we find the on open somewhere here. That deselect date. Let's see, we have deselect date. Okay, we got deselect date. Okay, so the deselect date right here, I noticed we could use date, or we can just go ahead and do this. Record source. Like so. Yeah, I think I mentioned this in the reply, but we actually don't need it, by the way. Oh, hold on. Hold your horses. So we're passing the date. All right, we want to do this. Okay. Dim SQL as string, and then we can say, yeah, that's good. And then we can say SQL equals. Alright, now before I go too far, I want to take a look at that appointment form. This is the record source. Okay, so I'm gonna grab that, copy, just so that alright, we're gonna say select everything from where. Now I need a parameter. Alright, where looks like a start date here. So yep, start date. So we're gonna say where start date equals. See how I'm doing it, James? That's it. And then we're gonna say SQL right there. Save. Alright, so you don't need the deselect. Alright, you don't need the deselect. I think I mentioned that. See if I mentioned that somewhere in there. In the it might be in here. So let's go there.
Everyone loves spreadsheets.
I think I mentioned it somewhere here. In my reply. Open source, see there? See how I mentioned it right there? See there? And then me record source. You see how I show you how to do that? Oh, I got you. My bad. That right there should have been exactly the same. Yeah, okay, my bad. I think that's the problem there. So I did make mistakes here. Alright, so my bad, James. My bad. Let's see how you did it. Okay, so it actually, you need to format that. Alright, you need to format that. Just like how we formatted right here, we got to format that guy to make it where. Alright, so yeah, when I reply this guy, I was just writing stuff from my head. Alright, but now looking at the code, it's a little different story. So you actually have to write that code, you see there, and that should do the trick. So we're gonna stop right here, and or we could do this message box SQL, and we should see something pop up like that. Okay, all right, Control S. Let's close everybody. Let's close everybody. I think the close is right here. Let's try again. Good. We're gonna go to July. We know this guy right here. We are expecting something here. You see that? Select from where? Good. July 29th. You see there? Now we should have July 29th appointment. What the heck? That should be July 29th. All right. So I'm gonna do this. Copy this guy. You see that? July 29th. I remember that. Copy. I am going to take a look at this query. You hard-coded something in there, mister. You see that? That's the problem. See, that's selecting the current date. No wonder it keeps coming up with the current date. I see something there, mister. So you hard-code something that you never, I would never hard-code anything. Well, maybe less than 1% of the time that I need. You see here? You should not have to do this. This is the problem right here. Alright? You don't hard-code. Yeah, we'll take that out. Yeah, don't hard-code because that's just gonna grab the current date. Alright? So we don't do that. Let's close that out. See if that's gonna help out some. Alright, let's go to July. Well, we don't hard-code anything in there. Okay, that's good. See there? That's James and anybody, if you are watching the video, you see that all my queries, alright, I would never hard code anything in a query because we want the queries to be used throughout our application, not just to specific form. Alright, so don't do that. No hard code. For example, this query can be used in different circumstances. Alright, not just for the form, but for the appointment form, but for another form that you want to use that query that has that information. So therefore, never use the hard code in there. Alright, that's the problem there. So we found it. That was pretty quick. Yeah, that was pretty quick. For sure that's how you do it. Alright, that's how you do it. See there? Just write your query the way you want and in code. See that? Now you can really cha-cha-cha and dance with it. Alright, and any form that you want to make it happen. Alright. Oh yeah, this is good. Get username. Good. Alright. Yeah, that just gets my computer name. Yeah. So, but that was easy, James. That was easy, not hard to do. So yeah, until I click on this guy, I want to make sure that I'm getting something right. Yeah, you see there? It still remembers that. Only has one date. So that's how you do it. Alright, that's how you do it. Not at all. So what happened here? Alright, you had, see the start date, you had bound this guy to the form. Yeah, do not hard code into the query. We want the query to be used throughout our application. And if you follow my videos, alright, you're never gonna see that. I write out the query the way I want it, alright, and then I can just and then you can just do it. And even on this form, even on this form, appointment form. All right, I see how you bind your record source to the form. Yeah, now this is okay, this is fine. All right, this is fine. Okay, but I would not bind my record source to here. All right, but you could. No, nothing wrong with that. All right, I would use my own, add, update, and all that in here. But this can do the trick. All right. There you have it, mister. There you have it. That's how you open it up. None to it. Oh, that was quick. I thought I was gonna run into, issues. But look at that. All right. So how do you add new one? One of 4 tasks. Oh, okay. So you already add the task for this appointment. All right. So this appointment has a task. Okay. Assign to. Got you. So actually, this appointment also has tasks. All right. But that's how you do it, James. That was quick. That's it. Oh, by the way, this is pretty. All right. Oh, we were gonna not highlight that guy. All right. How do you highlight that guy and not highlight that guy? Okay, let's do that. Let's tackle that. That's the first one that we were going to do. So let's go to display calendar here. Now, in later videos, I had mentioned that we can streamline all this. All right. So I'm going to show you how to streamline all this, James. All right. I'm going to take out all these guys, all this shebang. See this? We're going to streamline this guy. Take all that out except 2 logic here. And we don't need this first day. All right. We're just going to take that out. Nope. We need the first day, but we don't need to. We don't need to match it like so. We want to match it like this. Let me show you. In the later videos, I had looked at it closely. I think initially I was just looking at day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I just left the whole thing there. All right, but after people from overseas having issues, I kept looking at the code and I said, well, we can streamline this guy. This is how you streamline this guy. All right. So what this does, all right, that first day, if that first day is Sunday and matches this the current control, it's going to jump right there. And after that, we don't care. We only want to find the first day. All right. So do you see how I took the matching out? You see there? We don't care what day it is because we already know that first day, whatever it is. If it matches control, we want to come in here. You see? All right. But yeah, that was my way early videos. All right. So that is how you that is how you you streamline it, and it's nice and clean too. All right, we want to so make sure you look at this, take all that out and make your code look like this. All right, now before we do the highlighting right here, all right, current day, we are going to Control S and take a look, see what we did, help with that. So I'm gonna close that, open it up, same way. All right, so see there, it didn't change anything. All right, it didn't change anything. All right, so that's what happens when you look at the code over and over and you say but I think earlier video, the very first time I did that one for you, I was looking at is it going to see Sunday, is it going to see Monday, and so on and so forth. All right, and actually looking at the logic close enough. We didn't need that. We just need to make sure that the first day is on that control. Coffee is still good for you. Black coffee. All right, now let's go to the highlighter. Highlight current day. All right, so we're gonna go highlight current day right here. You see here. So if you take a look at this, all right, this day is actually the issues right here. All right, that means the number. That means the number. If you don't want that to show up, what you do, what do you do? Let's see. Okay, looking at it. So if the control name is correct, we're gonna massage this guy. Yeah, got it. So if got it. Let's see. We don't want to format this guy. All right. What we want to format. Yeah, we don't want to format this guy. Well, this is just looking at the number. All right. Make sure the number, this number like 30th equals this 30th. All right, and that's how we want. So we can leave that there, and we can go right here and say, okay. We can say if date equals date serial, serial, year, select txt, select or current date. I think you got current date, and then the month. So this will be the month, the calendar that you are retrieving. All right, so we'll do current date, and then this number, the day, day, you see, day. Then that's how you do it. So we're actually grabbing this today's date. If today's date is the same as this date, well, if you advance forward, which is September, or go and put to a previous calendar month, that would be July. Well, today's is August. You see, this month is August. Previous month is July. So that will look at the July. Oh, this one right here. That will look at the July. And you say, okay, well, if today is not that, is the same as that, then color. All right, then color. Let's see what you have in here. Oh, we got color here. Okay, we're gonna use some color in there. I'm just going to do this. Mod. What kind of color do you have? Ash, gray, sure, black, blue. I'm gonna make it really stand out. Alright, I'm gonna make it really stand out. Alright, let's take a look, see if that does it. See if that does it. See it blue? Now watch. Ah, it still highlights it. What the heck? Well, let's take a look. Why does it color? It should not color, right? So this is how we looking at the. This is how we today. Today is this guy, and we're gonna VBA Coder F. And then we're going to say select day I'm just gonna grab this guy right here. Why is that, right? Why is that? So first time it opens, it's going to make sure that it's this day, all right? Okay, so let's take a look. Let's close that out. Let's see what opens up. It's gonna pop up, which is correct. That's today's date. Now we're gonna advance backwards. Oh. Okay. Just a second here. That should have been previous. So we got current. Oh, I got you. Current. So if we move backwards, there's a previous. There's a previous. The select date, not current date. Okay, my bad. Let's change this guy to txt select date. No wonder. Yeah, that current date will always be current, right? Select date, because we're using select date to retrieve right here. You see that? See, this is where we moving back and forth. All right, this is where we're moving back and forth. So highlight right here. So that should be select date. All right, select date. Okay, so I was using current date. Let's see, where are we? July. Let's go to August again. August. All right, let's go back to July. See how it is not the same? See how it's not the same there? And it will not, it still highlights it. Why is that? Huh. Why is that? Hold on. Why would it come in here, right? Oh, we changed it here. We didn't change it here. No wonder. Whew. Yeah, you and I both the same, that memory, right? So I'm just gonna copy this guy right here. Yeah, we changed it here. We didn't change it here. No wonder. We changed our test message. All right, we'll go ahead and take that out. We know that works. Save. That's it. That's all. So that's how you do. You just add that line right there, that if clause, that logic. All right, before you display. All right. So we know it's 30th. Well, if it's 30th, it doesn't matter what month it is going to display when I previously did it. All right. Now, if you don't want it to be current date, you have to look at today. This is today's date. All right. The date. This is today's date, and matching the select date that we are looking at. That control. All right. So now you will see that it will not display. It will not display the 30th on any month other than August. So we got August right there. That's August. Now let's go. See there? It's gone. All right. That's it. All right. So that's how you do it. That's how you. That's how you. You avoid displaying the number, the current number, day on every month. That you have it. That was nice and short. All right, that was nice and short. By the way, I like this display. This is awesome. This is nice. Loan tracking system. I like that. Okay. And appointment scheduling system. I like that. Well, James, good luck. And if you need help with any other ones, just let me know. Yeah, that shouldn't be too hard. All right. There you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.